Have you ever wanted to ask someone a question in English but didn't know how? Maybe you wanted to ask, where do you live? What do you do? Why do you study English? Or maybe, how does she learn so fast? There are some of the most common questions English speakers ask every single day. But many English learners make one small mistake that changes the whole sentence. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to ask questions correctly in the present simple tense. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to ask questions confidently like a native speaker. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Daily Dose with Timna, and welcome back to our present simple tense course. I'm so happy you're here. If you've been following this series, congratulations. You've already learned present simple tense he, she and it, negative sentences, yes, no questions, and today we're moving one step further. We're going to learn WH questions. This lesson is very important because we use WH questions in everyday conversation. So pay close attention, practice with me, and don't skip today's homework. What are WH questions? WH questions are questions that ask for information, unlike yes, no. Questions that cannot be answered with only yes or no. Look at these examples. Do you play football? Yes, I do. Now look at this. Where do you play football? Can you answer with only yes? No. You need information. For example, I play football in the park. That's why they're called WH questions. The 5 main WH words. There are 5 WH words we'll learn today. Number 1. What? We use what to ask about things or actions. For example, what do you eat for breakfast? What does she do after school? Number 2. Where? We use where to ask about places. Where do you live? Where does your father work? Number 3. When? When ask about time. When do you wake up? When does the movie start? Number 4. Why? Why ask for a reason? Why do you study English? Because I want to speak fluently. Why does she exercise every day? Because she wants to stay healthy. Number 5. How? How ask about the way something happens. How do you come to school? How does he cook such delicious food? Now let's learn the formula. It's actually very easy. WH word. Do or does. Subject. Base verb. Rest of the sentence. For example, where do you live? Where do you live? What does she eat? What does she eat? Notice something very important. After does, the verb goes back to its base form. We do not say what does she eat. That is incorrect. Correct? What does she eat? Remember this rule forever. When to use do and does. Use do with I, you, we, they. Use does with he, she, it. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. What do you like? Where do they study? When do we leave? Why do I need this? Now it does. What does he eat? Where does she work? When does it start? How does your brother travel? Now let's use these questions in conversation. Conversation 1. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Conversation 2. Where do you live? I live in Lahore. Conversation 3. When do you usually wake up? I wake up at 6 o'clock. Conversation 4. Why do you learn English? Because I want better opportunities. Conversation 5. How do you practice English? I watch English videos and speak every day. These are real questions you'll hear almost every day. Now let's fix some common mistakes. Where she lives? Incorrect. Where does she live? Correct. What does he eat? Incorrect. What does he eat? Correct. Why you study English? Incorrect. Why do you study English? Correct. Always remember HW word. Do or does, subject, base verb. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. What do you like? Where do you work? When do you study? Why do you smile? How do you cook? Now it does. What does she eat? Where does he live? When does your class begin? Why does your brother laugh? How does your mother travel? Excellent. Now filling the blanks. Pause the video and complete these. Where does you live? What does she eat? When does they arrive? Why does she study English? How does your father go to work? Where does your friends play cricket? What does your brother do every Sunday? Why does we need exercise? When does your sister wake up? How does they learn English? Now it's quiz time. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Dash do you live? Options: what, where, why. Question number 2. What does she do? Do, does, is. Question number 3. Dash does your class begin? Options: where, when, why. Question number 4. How dash they travel? Options: do, does, are. Question number 5. Why does he study English? Do, does, is. Pause the video before checking your answers. Now homework. Part A. Filling the blanks. What does she usually eat for breakfast? Where does your mother work? Why does they study every evening? When does your father come home? How does she travel to school? Homework Part B. Make questions. Change these sentences into WH questions. I live in Karachi. She goes to school at 8 a.m. He studies English because he wants a better job. They play football in the park. My sister travels by bus. Homework Part C. It's your personal practice. Write and answer these 5 questions about yourself. What do you do after school? Where do you live? When do you study English? Why do you want to learn English? How do you practice English? Speak every answer aloud. Remember, fluent English isn't built by watching lessons. It's built by speaking, making mistakes, and practice every single day. Before you leave, pause this video and complete today's homework. Say every answer out loud, because your voice is your greatest teacher. Every question you ask in English is another step toward confidence and fluency. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. I'll see you in episode 6, where we'll continue mastering English together. Until then, happy learning. Bye-bye.